Welcome to our introduction on deleting Vimeo videos in 2025. In this video, we'll cover how to delete a video from your Vimeo account. Deleting a video is a permanent action, removing it from public view, search results, and your account. We'll also discuss the SEO implications and best practices for managing your Vimeo content in 2025. Vimeo is focusing more on enhanced creator tools to simplify video management. The core deletion feature remains user-friendly and unchanged since 2023. First, log into your Vimeo account at vimeo.com. Navigate to the website and sign in using your credentials. Navigate to the Videos tab or your dashboard and locate the video you wish to delete. Click on the video, then select the Settings or More menu, which is typically represented by a three dots icon. Choose Delete from the options. You'll likely be asked to confirm your decision, possibly by typing the video title or entering a code to prevent accidental deletions. Remember that deleting a video is irreversible. Once you delete a Vimeo video, it immediately disappears from your account, public profiles, and Vimeo's search index. This means viewers can no longer find or access it directly on the platform. However, full removal across the entire web may take 24 to 48 hours. During this time, search engines and other sites might still show cached versions until they update their indexes. If the video was embedded on other websites or blogs, those embeds will display an error message instead of the video. The original video URL also becomes invalid, preventing any direct access. Additionally, all associated content is permanently deleted, including comments, likes, and any other embeds. This ensures a complete removal of the video and its interactions. While cached versions on search engines or other platforms may persist briefly, the video is permanently removed from Vimeo and cannot be recovered. Always consider backing up important content before deletion. Vimeo offers batch tools for deleting multiple videos at once. You can select up to 50 videos for deletion at the same time. This feature can be found within your video library, allowing you to efficiently manage and remove outdated or irrelevant content. This tool was introduced in 2024. Deleting Vimeo videos can significantly impact your SEO performance. When you remove a video, it can break backlinks that point to that content, potentially reducing your site's authority. The removal of content also affects your search rankings, as Google may no longer index that page, leading to a drop in visibility for related searches. Vimeo's SEO strategy emphasizes embeddability, where videos embedded on websites create backlinks and increase dwell time, boosting overall SEO value. It's important to remember that Google indexes Vimeo content less aggressively than YouTube, so deletions here have a more pronounced effect on niche visibility. Before deleting any video, carefully consider its performance metrics and potential SEO value to avoid unintended consequences. Before deleting videos, optimize your metadata for better SEO. Use descriptive titles, tags, and descriptions with relevant keywords that people might search for. Set your videos to public for indexing by search engines. Private videos are not searchable, so they won't appear in search results. Enable embeds to boost your video's reach. This allows others to share your content on their websites, increasing visibility and potential backlinks. Monitor views, engagement, and traffic sources in Vimeo's analytics. This data helps you understand what's working and what might need improvement before deletion. Link your Vimeo videos to social media and websites for indirect SEO benefits. This creates backlinks and increases your content's discoverability across platforms. Instead of deleting videos permanently, consider archiving them. Archiving removes the video from public view while keeping it safely stored in your Vimeo account. This is ideal for monetized videos or those that are part of your portfolio, as it preserves their value without affecting your SEO. Another alternative is adjusting your privacy settings. Set videos to private to restrict access to only yourself and invited viewers. Or choose unlisted to make them available only through a direct link, maintaining availability for specific audiences without impacting your overall search visibility. Vimeo recommends archiving over permanent deletion, especially for valuable content. This approach helps maintain your account's integrity and SEO performance while giving you flexibility for future use.